How to fix Gmail sync problem. In this video guys, I will show you the great solution and the easiest way how to fix this on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this what you should do, you have to go directly to apps option, and here you have to search for Gmail. When you found it, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here what you should do, you have to go to the last button, clear data, click OK, also click on clear cache. Then you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to remove permission if app is unused. If you found it, my friend, like this, you have to allow this option. Click like this and that's it. Your problem after this will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.